Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, yesterday, if you look at in US market, the Dow Jones closed at 170 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 40 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 6 points negative. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30, the futures, is trading very flat. Now, the whole US market was under consolidation ahead of Fed interest rate decision, which is on today, Wednesday. So everyone will be watching closely what Fed interest rate, whether they will detect the interest rate or not. But more than that, they have to we have to watch very closely what will be the commentary, what they will say, what the future look like. So it is 90% chance that they will cut the interest rate, but the commentary is more important than the interest rate decisions. Now let's talk about FII and DI data. Yesterday, if you look at the foreign institutions, they sold close to 3,700 crores. On the other hand, domestic institutions, the DII, they bought staggering close to 6,200 crores. Now, at the time of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 60 points, and Asian markets are trading flat because of the same reason for the Fed interest rate decisions pending. Now, crude oil is at its sweet spot close to $58 per barrel. I was reading one research report on crude oil where they are expecting the supply to increase than the demand. So, if that will happen, then the prices of crude oil will definitely decrease. And the stocks like OMCs, look at Oil India, look at HPCL, BPCL, these stocks will get benefit more or less from this downfall in crude oil. Now, let's talk about our market. Yesterday was expiry, and a typical expiry move. The market was definitely in oversold trajectory. Even I told to my group that market is definitely oversold. Look at mid cap and small cap, they all are in oversold trajectory. Some bounce was expected, and from close to 25,870 on future level we saw a bounce, but we still closed at 25,960. Support is 25,800 and resistance is 26,100. So market is positioning itself before the interest rate decisions. Today, everyone will be watching what will be the outcome. More than that, commentary is very important. Now, Bank Nifty closing around 59,528. Support is 59,000 and resistance is 60,000. The main concern for me in this market is the FII selling. They are relentlessly selling, non-stop selling, and their selling number are increasing day by day. Even though it is a small number, close to 600,000, 2,000 crore, but selling is selling, right? Even if you look at index level, they have increased their short positions. Stock futures, they have increased their short positions. So yes, there's something that FII know that we don't. We have to watch. We have to position ourselves with limited quantity. If you have any if you have any positions longs, and even if you're trying to get any longs, keep your quantity limited and keep a tight stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss, right? So even I don't have any positions, but for me, metals looks very strong. I'll find an opportunity. Hindalco looks very good. Available is in futures. It is around 815 in futures, I think. Stop loss should be 790 and target 870. I know it's a very high target, but I'm very bullish on metals. If the Fed will cut the interest rate, the metals will shine. Metals will outperform. Even IT, all these stocks can do outperformance. So yes, I am super bullish on metals. Look at metals, they will do very good. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next pre-market video. Bye-bye.